This is your complete step-by-step video tutorial for easily printing water-resistant laminated labels, decals, and stickers in any size or form you desire with your new all-in-one solution IColor 250 label printer plus built-in cutter. The new lamination mode feature transforms premium gloss label stock into a highly water-resistant material when exposed to surface water, while also protecting your artwork from scratching and fading. For your quick reference, the Uninet IColor Print Hub comes automatically installed with your printer driver and may be accessed via the printer driver options or as a program on your Windows Start menu. This program communicates with the printer to perform management operations such as gathering ink levels, maintenance, blade adjustments, and a variety of other tasks. The lamination mode can be accessed via the Uninet IColor Print Hub Status Monitor. This function modifies the printer's functionality to enable for the application of clear laminate labels to the print prior to cutting. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to Start, Programs, Uninet Technology, Uninet IColor Print Hub. Step 2. In the Uninet IColor Print Hub window, go to Printer Settings tab, Advanced Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and look for Laminate Mode. Now click check the laminate mode box and press OK. Step 3. While in IColor Print Hub, go to the USCutter tab. Increase cut pressure by 25, could be more depending on the knife life, to account for the extra force needed to cut through the lamination and the label. Step 4. Open your IColor Custom Cut software. Send a print cut file to the printer as usual. It is best to limit page size to correspond with the size of the lamination label if possible. The printer prints the image on the label and then ejects the label without cutting it. Step 5. The printer will now wait indefinitely for you to manually apply an optically transparent polyester laminate label patch to the printed surface. Lamination labels must be purchased separately. When you are ready, press the Feed button on the printer's control panel to reintroduce the printed image to the cutter and initiate the cutting process. Step 6. After the cutting process is complete, the label will be ejected and cut according to your output settings. You are now ready to remove the waste matrix from the label, and your finished product is ready.